Hey everyone, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about Lagofast and Exitlag. Quick disclaimer, this review is based on public information and personal opinion. Exitlag is a well-known game booster that works by rerouting your internet traffic through optimized paths to reduce latency and prevent packet loss. It supports hundreds of games and offers a free 3-day trial, no credit card needed. The interface is designed as a beginner friendly and it's been around for years with a decent community behind it. Lagofast, on the other hand, markets itself as an advanced or more advanced solution with both ping boost and FPS boost capabilities. It has a pay per minute system which can be cheaper for casual gamers. According to their site, Lagofast also uses data driven routes and offers an extra FPS boost mode for some certain games. Reddit users are split. Some say exit lag is more reliable for popular MMOs like Blade and Soul, while others prefer Lego fast pricing and performance for specific regions or titles. So, Lego Fast or Exit Lag? If you're playing frequently and want a stable, polished experience with wide game support, Exit Lag is a solid choice. It's easy to use, proven, and comes with a free trial. But if you're more of a casual player or want flexibility in how you pay, Lego Fast might be better, especially with its per minute billing and FPS boost add on. The bottom line, both work, but which one works better for you depends on your game, your region, and how often you play. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.